Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix clipboard history not working or not showing in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, you can try some simple method. First one, click on Start Settings. Now here click on Clipboard. Turn on Clipboard History. Also, you can use shortcut key Windows logo key plus V to view your clipboard history and paste it from it. Second method, click on Start and type Edit Group Policy. Open Edit Group Policy. Now here expand Administrative Templates underneath Computer Configuration. Then here expand System. Now here double click on OS Policies. Now double click on Allow Clipboard History. Now here select Enabled, then click on Apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your system. Still you are facing problems, you can try third method. Click on Start, type here Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Now find out Windows File Explorer. Right click on it and click on Restart. Now close it and restart your system. Hopefully guys, using this simple and easy way, we can fix and resolve clipboard history not working or not showing in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment any method work for you or not.